7-4.
It's good squash from Yao. He's really extending the rallies and just picking his opportunities. It's a good flick of the wrist from the back of the court.
He's kind of hypnotised Mosaad a little bit and then changed the angle very.
Huge point there for Yao.
9-7.
The yell from the young Malaysian. He knew it was crucial.
Yeah, the yell from Yao.
He's just not going away, is he, this young player? He's seen a little bit of him close up at Pontefract, of course, a few years back. Wasn't based there permanently, but he was there for a little while. And that's a little
11-7 game to run on lead.
Well out in front of
One
his
game
body.
below.
Yeah.
Well, the pressure's on Mosaad. Yao strikes. Boy wonder. Beautiful shot cut across the mid area of the court. It wasn't a good shot from Mosaad, read by Yao, and there the balance that I was talking about.
Yeah, I think they could change the rule to obviously still the referee's discretion.
Isn't it though, the break in momentum changes things. It's like going in between games, you know. It was 2 minutes, it was longer than 2 minutes as well, and it can change a player's rhythm.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm sure that neither player wanted it really. Didn't need it, and nor did the crowd or the viewers on TV. It's yeah, it's something that needs changing for sure.
Well, I've heard that it's in the process of being updated. And the director of refereeing, Lee Drew, is currently chasing Roy Gingell.
That was a very simple mistake. Oh wow!
Oh wow!
And out 11-all.
That was great timing. I'm just copying what you say, and also courageous from the Hammer of Thor. Very different. Game ball for Mosaad.
Yes, Les.
Oh, that's a stroke for me.
No, you were going forward.
Stroke. He's got to look at this.
Well, the clearance from you're talking about the clearance from Yao, aren't you?
The clearance from Yao
wasn't there.
Let's have a look at this now. He's moved in. He's played the shot. He's not giving him a line. And it is. It's a stroke to Yao. Sorry, to Mosaad.
Stroke to Mosaad. Decision overruled.
So game on here, Parky.
Game to Mosaad. 1 game all.
Yeah, absolutely. It was the right decision, and we were talking about how stingy the referees were being.
Mosaad using that experience. Yao looking a little bit more flustered, and he's getting caught up with the scenarios a bit too much for me, for his own focus.
Those unbelievable kill from the Hammer of Thor.
Down. 6-7.
Huge miss there from Mosaad.
Well,
11-8 match to Mosaad.
There's
2 games
the
to
giant
1.
fist of Omar Mosaad.
7-11.
Terrific battle.
11-8.
Well, he's man against boy physically, wasn't it?
Yeah, David and Goliath, PJ.
PJ.
Fuck yeah.
But in terms of the standard of squash, it certainly wasn't. It was so close.
That was a brilliant effort from both guys. See how much it meant to the Hammer of Thor. Jason Foster, who's been very unstroke-like, has gone for the stroke on that one.
Down. 6-3.
You've got to play the later matches, thinking about it all day long. It's quite nice sometimes not to be the first match on, Parky, but to kind of get on early doors in the day.
Yeah, maybe halfway through the programme. Or speaking to Deck James though earlier, and he prefers to be on later, so he can laze around all day.
I can't put a mark
6-10. Game ball.
Because it looked like he was completely disinterested.
From the right,
Did have
please.
a niggle. He pulled out against Mohamed Al Shabagi.
Down. 11-6, game to Lobban. Lobban leads, one
Well, I'm
game
not
to
sure
love.
who Jason Foster's talking about, but Greg Lobban has just won the first game. Playing a good, solid, professional game of accurate, tight hitting, and then use your skill set to finish when you're in good positions. And it's very good coaching, Parky, that.
Yeah. Just concentrate on your own game. So who was the race?
Down.
Tarek Bowman.
Right.
Hand out.
And he was even more, imagine
2-1.
like when he was in his early part of his career, it was even more tricky going forward.
I do think that Hesham, with this style of refereeing, has got to make a bit more effort to get round. He's done it a couple of times, got away with it.
Oh, that's a great shot from Lobban. Slam dunk, really on his
9-6.
toes. Nice and steep on the ball. It's a good finish. Unbelievable shot, but it's come back from Lobban. Great rally, this one.
No let. 11-6. 11-7. Match to Lobban. 2 games to love.
Yeah, sure.
11-6. 11-7.
See it here for me, but maybe it's a bit shorter. Anyway, the no-let deemed, and it's a result here for Greg Lobban. 25 minutes. I think it's close with James Woolstrop's match as being the shortest encounter that we've had today. Yeah, very good athletes. The tidying up of Dessouky, stretching out Kandra, and he does battle away Kandra. He gets so much back. Hugely athletic.
He does. Kandra had that amazing run a few years back at the British Open in Hull. Got to the semi-finals, I think it was. Fantastic performance there. Really surprised quite a few people. And that was a good example of strength around the middle from Dessouky. Slightly loose ball there before that from Kandra. Great straight lob on the backhand side. Oh, he's just snatched at the ball a little bit there. Ouch.
So the stroke's been given. Kandra disappears off.
Yeah, right on the right ear, I think. A bit painful. Pace has really gone up here from Kandra. He's really stepping forward on the volley. And then Touche. Dessouky's in there.
Sorry, Parky, I was just doing a bit of ghosting outside.
You sound a little bit out of breath. There's the backhand serve. We haven't seen that for a while. He scraped it up somehow.
Yeah, it was pretty ineffective. The old blind backhand serve straight on your racket, your opponent's racket, just to give you less time to see it. Not convinced by that technique on the service, I've got to be honest with you. It very rarely gets the side walls, so I just don't know why you'd serve blind, particularly to somebody like Dessouky. Well recovered. Oh wow, that was really powerful.
It was aggressive, wasn't it?
100% par.
Hand out.
Off the sidewall as well, the timing was ridiculous there from Dessouky. You see an example of how Dessouky can defend as well. He's found himself a little bit behind Kandra.
Oh wow, very clever. Talking about his hitting abilities, but also the movement, Parky. So deceptive. It kind of looked like he was moving late. And then that last bit of lunge with the racket ability. There.
Well, it was a little flick and a topspin flick, so it slowed down.
See, there you go. I mean, that's what it's unbelievable.
Funny
When
enough,
you hit the ball like that, why don't you
Yeah.
just hit the ball, Parky? Explain.
Ridiculous timing. I mean, and actually,
Look at it
he
though.
missed the nick. It was just so hard and such
Flat.
an angle.
Look for a 50-50 cheap one.
Yeah,
and,
when you
and
hit
not
the
hit the
ball
ball like
this way.
that, when you, particularly when it's loose. He lets himself down in those refereeing decisions. Kandra's trying to go on for it. He's lucky here. Wow. Oh my goodness, the power. Just absolutely going for him. Very, very good to watch when Dessouky plays like this. Joke touch, that's brilliant.
11-5.
There's no doubting the skill set and the quality of hitting movement from Dessouky. He just needs to play the ball a bit more.
11-5.
He knows that, we've been saying that for a long time. And when he does, he makes his opponent really pay. Look at this, full stretch, beautiful touch.
That was great improvisation with the wrist.
Yeah, fantastic work there from Feroz Dessouky. Just watch that time and time again. There's the first one. This is the really impressive one. Oh, unbelievable hands at full stretch. Yeah, it's more than attritional.
Yeah, there's some purpose behind
Yeah,
the hitting.
there's quite a lot of variety as well with the heights and the paces. But when they know each other very well, and it's very tight. And the head-to-head 4-3 to Jane, just slightly edging it. It's going to be a bit cagey, isn't it?
Yeah, especially in the early exchanges. That's a lovely touch. That's what I was talking about with Waller. Is perhaps a little bit
5-4.
more skillful, but just a bit carves the ball with the racket. You can see he's threw his body into that one, Waller.
Just threading that post round. That's a
Good touch from Declan.
that was as flat. There goes the strut from
Left
James.
one,
The
please.
arms come out. Looks like he wants to turn into Batman.
He loves that shot, doesn't
9-7.
Yeah, look at it.
The straight kill or the cross-court kill on the forehand.
Down.
Do you know what he was
Hand
doing
out.
there? One, I don't
10-all.
think he got low
Player
enough.
must
He didn't
win
bend
by
his
2 points.
he didn't bend his legs. He kind of
Player
bent his back
advantage
over, but
available.
he had a little look to see where Waller was just before he played the shot.
11-10, game ball. Down. 12-10, game to James. James leads.
Well, that's
one
a
game
huge
to
cry
love.
from Declan James, and quite rightly. Immensely important first game there for the man from Nottingham.
Yalla. 4-all.
It's good width, very good width. Could be trouble.
Down.
Oh, he's hit the tin.
He's just
Hand
really
out. 9-6.
furious with himself. It's a bit of a snatch at the ball there from Waller.
Down.
Well, that was painful.
Conduct stroke
Oh,
for
he's
record
off.
of use. 11-6.
Oh, he's
Match
off.
to
It's not
James.
a way to go, is it? There's a slightly bad handshake there. So the
Against
racket
the left.
abuse, was it? Straight for
Yeah, well, he hit it into his own leg, and he'd already had the conduct stroke, of course.
Well, that's a sad way to end, but just kind of got it was his head, wasn't it? It's just that. Oh, ouch! More like it wouldn't be racket abuse. That would just be
Foot abuse.
self-abuse.
Congratulations into the next
I
round.
mean, he was just all over the place.
Yeah, he
wasn't
was. He
after
was
that
after
warning.
the warning.
Sorry, the conduct stroke.